2.
And I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is a puzzle that people find very hard to solve. The goal of this puzzle is to get in solved state, which is to have every color in every side. Okay? And just for starters, I'm going to be teaching you a terminology, which is the words you're going to have to learn to solve this thing. Okay. I'm just going to start by teaching you the sides, the faces, whatever you want to call them. There's about six faces that you need to learn. There is the front face, which is just this face right here that I'm turning around. Okay. There's the back face, which is the face that's not facing you and it's in the back. So for me it will be the yellow face, so I'm going to just twist it around so you know which one it is. Then there is the bottom face, or the down face, which is this face right here. There is the top face, which is this. The right face, and the left face. These are the 6 faces that you're going to use to solve this thing. So, and another word that you'll need to learn is algorithm, which is just a bunch of, and if I twist faces a certain amount of time by using algorithms, and I use a couple of algorithms, I'll get the cube like this. So it's pretty useful, and you basically have to learn the cube. There's no other way around. There is, unless you're like super smart, but I'm just going to teach you how to do it easily. Okay? Thank you. I solved the cube in 6 different steps, and that means there's going to be 6 different videos showing you these steps. Now I'm going to show you the first step today, and later on you can look for step 2 and stuff, whatever. But I'm just going to give you like a brief what you have to do. You're going to start by making the front face, or the top face, one face. All you need is one face. Then you're going to work on the middle section, and then you're going to work on the bottom section, and then you're going to orient it so it gives you the solved cube. Okay? Let's start. Now I'm going to scramble the cube, so just give me a second here. Could use a little bit more scrambling. When you scramble a cube, you should scramble it for at least about 20 seconds, I think. 20 seconds is good enough. So you forget everything you've done, then nothing is the same. Looks scrambled to you. Looks scrambled to me. So right now I'm going to teach you how to do one face, which I think is probably the longest step, and the most complicated step, and the most boring step, but you have to do it if you want to solve it. You're going to start off by choosing a color. I'm going to be choosing white, because white looks fun. Okay, and what we are going to do is, we're going to look for our white corners. So take a couple of times to look at your cube. I found one white corner here. There's one white corner here, and another one here, and here's the last one. Now what we are going to do is we're going to put all the corners, all the white corners, so you can start mapping out your cube. So let me just show you. There's some really basic algorithms to get your corners. First of all, look at the bottom color of one of your corners. I found a red one. Here I found the other red one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this white corner over here in 2 simple steps. Since it's up here, I can just twist it like such and bring it down. So then you see I have my two and they're the same color here. Now for the other two, I'm looking for a green and white one. I found it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist it like this. So now it's here and I can simply put it there. But since I don't want to take this one away, I'm just going to move it out of the way. Okay, and I can just simply bring it up. Then I can put this one back. Okay? Then there's this last corner here, which is probably inverted, so I can just simply toss it away without harming these. Bring it down like such. Then I can put it here, which I call like an inversion or whatever. I really don't care. So now it's here. Now I can just bring it down. I can move this one out of the way. So I have my one corner. Bring it up. Put it back. I have all my white corners. So now I'm going to start working on the edge pieces. So the green, the red, blue, and the orange. Now that you have your four corners of one face, you can simply just fill it in with some edges just by maybe rotating them one side. Here's my red edge, and here's my red corner. I can just simply put it in, and my orange one's here, so I can just simply move my red one out of the way, put this one there, and put it back. So then there's sometimes where you get this retarded little thing where you have your edge here and you have to put it here. And if you do this, then you're ruining your two corners. So what I do is I bring one of them down, the one that's usually not connected to it, and I tilt the face. Now my corner is here, but I can easily put it back. So I bring this up, and now my corner is over here. So I can just do this. Now I have to put it there, but if I do this, I'm ruining what I've already worked hard for. So I'll move these two out of the way. I'll put this one back, and I'll do that. Now let's just find my last one, which is where? Here. I will put it here since it's on the green, and I'll just move both of them, because then I can just do that, and then there you go. On most occasions, you should care about the middle last. And the middle is what you should not care about, and you should leave out of the way so you can get this done. Because the middle, which is right here, or it can be anywhere, because the middles can't move, right? But is the easiest thing to put into place. Now my middle's here. All I need to do is tilt my two sides, so my right side and my left side. If it's on top, my top side and my bottom side. Here left side, right side, and here bottom side, right side. If it's in the back, just choose whatever side you want. I'm going to put it where I first had it, but all I have to do is tilt my left side up, tilt my right side up, put in the middle, then I can simply put these back down, and there you have it. You have your front face. Now we are going to work on the middle, which I will teach you in a few seconds.